Welcome to the channel. Welcome to this channel. I want to deliver a message through me, and I want to be here now and just free flow on why is it that you have anxiety? Why is it that you lack confidence in yourself? Why is it that you are out in public and you just don't want to be there? You can't be there. You feel like, why is it that we feel this way? Why is it that we feel stressed? Why is it that we feel like everything that we do isn't going our way? Why do we feel that we can't attract the life we desire? We attract the woman we desire. Why is it that we feel stressed, frustrated, anxiety, lacking of confidence? We can't express ourselves just as we are. Why is this? I had a realization today, and it was a very interesting realization because I was driving today. And I seen this girl. My brother was driving, I was in the passenger seat, and I was driving, and I seen this girl. She walked past, and you ever catch yourself, right? You watch yourself, and you can feel the gravitational pull to when they walk past towards a woman, right? And you feel yourself wanting to look and objectify, and you always catch it. You catch it. I was driving, continue to drive on my drive, and a realization hit me. I've been doing this so many times, and as I've been on this whole retention, no dating apps, none of that shit, I realize the reason that we feel like these low states of consciousness all the time, stress, anxiety, like we're lacking confidence, is because we worship something outside ourselves. We worship something outside ourselves that is not the source within ourselves. This is why we as men feel this lack of confidence, because we're constantly beating ourselves without even realizing the damage it's doing. We become so desensitized. We become so desensitized to life itself. And when you realize that you're being pulled by lust, you're being pulled by this worshipping, some say the devil, some say hell, whatever the case may be, you are worshipping low states of consciousness within yourself. And when you do that, when you realize that you're desiring something, you're pleasure of something, you're trying to seek something, some pleasure within inside yourself that is holding you back. It's holding you back inside your life to become that best version of yourself. Because you are worshipping something outside yourself that you are totally unconscious to. Like when you think about it, women, TikTok, Instagram, most women would rather have beauty than brains, because the average man can see better than he can think. This really hit deep for me, because it really goes to show how the society is. Women act a certain way because we desire so much, which makes it so backwards, the society so backwards. And when you're worshipping this, it just can block you from what's really going within inside yourself. To really question and observe, and why is it that I feel anxiety? Why is it that I feel this way? Why is it that I'm this way? Why is it that I get frustrated? Why is it that I'm stressed right now? And really just listen to yourself, rather than becoming a victim to it and just letting it lead you. When you can become conscious of your thoughts, when you can become aware of what's going on, you can then begin to change it. Because how can you change a story within yourself if you are not even conscious to the story you're telling yourself yet? It's impossible. How can you create somebody new if you're still holding on to behaviors of the past? If you want to succeed on this journey, if you really want to reap the benefits and the rewards, and really break free and really skyrocket your confidence, is you have to be conscious of this, and you really have to really see what you're actually doing that's holding you back inside your life. What you're really worshipping is holding you back, and really what already exists beyond these low states of consciousness. What really exists beyond hell, what really exists beyond is these states of love, is these states of joy, is these states of your best version of you. And it's going to be hard not to really react and turn, and you will catch yourself really wanting to look sometimes. It's like a scratch you have to itch. But when you can harness this power, you can really say, fuck, this woman actually is just like me. She is like me, and she is not any different than I am. And we kind of separate ourselves from each other because we're playing this game in society that's, going back to that quote, the average woman, most women would rather have beauty than brains because the average man can see better than he can think. And that quote hits deeper every time. And we are so separated from each other that when you can really, really see what's really the way the world is with this whole celibacy game, it's honestly transforming your life, because you can now start to really appreciate things for what they are, rather than having a strong desire for money or a strong desire for women, like this really pull that kind of blocks, and it feels good in the moment, but it's almost like a warm blanket when you really, really see and experience that. So again, I got on a bit of a profound flow here, but I wanted to drop this video to you guys, and I really am grateful that you guys are here. If you really do vibe with this channel, you vibe with my energy, and you want to support my channel, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel and like this video if you do. If you don't, then whoever's meant to be here will be here. And I'll see you all in the next video. Let's go.